TTPM. ¿Sí o no? Bueno, pura. Vamos a irnos. Manita y yo vamos a ir a TTPM. You stay, Gunner. Okay? TTPM? ¿Tú quieres ir? Yeah? Okay. Sí, vas a ir.
Is that you? TTPM?
Oh. Good morning.
Good morning.
Wow.
I want a toy. Car. Hey, Mom.
Emma,
That's Mom.
vamos para la casa. Home.
No.
Yeah, no more TTPM. Hi, Jack. Go. Give him a high five. Go get Jack. Whee! Buenos dias, mis amigos. Shimmy. Today, I'm at TTPM with both the kids. Why? Because me and Buddha have to film something. And gonna be crying on the sidelines because he's not gonna be in the video. So it's gonna be quite an exciting day. Marissa, his girlfriend Marissa works at the publisher. Nana, look what Marissa, remember Jack's girlfriend? Look what she got you.
Oh my God, books. Oh my God. I'm gonna see this.
Oh, isn't that so nice of her?
Oh, I'm gonna use this.
First generation. 36 trailblazing immigrants and refugees who make America great. I love that because what did you tell Marissa? What kind of books did you like? Auto.
I'll go buy.
Hair and makeup, girl. Hair and makeup. What music? Santa. Good boy.
I'm sure we're cool.
Oh, you taped it to the chair? You taped my wire to the chair. Oh, and don't get my pimple, Jackie boy.
And look, this food. What did you draw?
Gunner, did their babysitters let you escape again?
I don't know. We gotta find out.
I have done.
Sticking you in the room. Bye, Poppy. Okay, bye, Poppy. Going in the dungeon.
Oh wait, here it is.
What? You found it?
Found it.
Where was it?
God, it was
It was just
right.
so. It was just so
It was
well
so
hidden.
perfectly
Yeah, it was
right
just-
under the table
Oh,
leg.
you see?
What are we doing in there?
Told you he was gonna escape the room. Bag full of toys and books. Kids are ready. Gunner, show los amigos. ¿Qué hiciste?
I was showing.
You did accidente. You designed your pantalones.
I was showing.
Slime.
Yeah.
Yeah, you got slime, but that doesn't tell me why you peed on yourself. ¿Por qué?
A poop, not a poop.
You poop?
No, look at this spot on. No, not a chair. Do you see any red?
Hey, make sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and definitely make sure the bell is on. It will notify you when a new video goes up. What? ¿Quién son estos juguetes? ¿Para quién son los juguetes, Gunner?
Wait, open.
Para Miri. Can you say Miri?
Wait,
Mírame. Miri.
wait.
As you guys know, Miri is Gunner's speech therapist, and today's her last day because he ages out of early intervention. Let's do one more.
Party hat. Party hat.
Ooh, this one. All right, I got one more. This one can also turn. We got 2 pictures left. Happy day.
Happy day.
And one more. Baby doll.
Baby doll.
Now we're gonna fix it. Ready? Baby.
Baby doll.
There you go. Can you do the whole thing together now? Baby doll.
Baby doll.
And then in the next 2 weeks, Gunner's gonna be going to school 5 days a week. 5 days a week. For 2.5 hours each day, he's gonna be getting speech in the school. So he'll be around older kids. Well, kids around his age, but that so seeing how they speak and seeing what they do, and hopefully imitates the good things that they do. You guys know I work at TTPM, and I we have all these toys, and she has two boys that are 2 years old that are twins, and then a 4-year-old daughter. So I just wanted to say thank you and give her some toys. So Mary.
Wait, what you?
For you, Mary.
No.
Yeah.
No. This is weird.
Yes.
What?
For you and your kids.
I know, but this is not normal.
No, it's free.
It doesn't matter. Your kids.
Oh, they get toys every day, every week.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
This is not normal.
OMG. I just found a folder of video footage that I didn't put on the vlog, so I'm very sorry. So I'm gonna do that right now. It's like Gunnar has a girlfriend now. Un abrazo to babe. Say babe. Da, go, hurry. Rápido. Fast. Oh, you're so respectful.
She said back off.
Hey, that's Mira.
Say back off.
Go real quick, fast. Dale besito entonces, fast. No kiss? He's so respectful.
Show her again. Mira, say back off.
They like gifts, Papi, yeah.
He said that's it.
Learning.
You get to touch.
Oh, God. Oh, look, he's trying to grab her hands. Oh, true love. Farah, what happened, Farah? Tell.
Maybe these things, maybe this one, something.
What's the something? What did it look like? What did it feel like, Farah?
Box.
A what?
Box.
A box?
Box.
A box or a bug?
Rock.
A bra?
Box.
A what?
She said that box.
Are you gonna do it? Gonna give babe a beso.
Stop moving. Para, stop moving. Stop moving. I saw it.
Oh, shit.
No.
Oh, cheese. Is that your babe, Papi? Oh, look at that. Oh my God. I'm in love. Hey, babe. That's your babe?
Yeah.
Gunnar, that's your babe? Babe? Ah! Esmira. Hey, put your shirt down. Esmira. Dale besito. Then me and Tenton had gone to an event where we met DJ Jazzy Jeff. Hello. How are you? I'm recording you.
Oh. It's weird when somebody holds the camera. I'll be like,
I know. You're awesome. Now I'm gonna take the picture. Now.
We were recording, and any questions that you have about some of his found out, they'll be gladly answered. And my mom is there. If anybody wants to take it out of
I introduced myself. I said, "Hi, my name is Betsy." He's like, "Hi, I'm Jeff." I'm like, "Stop! That is so like humble of you to even introduce yourself. Like, I know who you are." And then some karaoke.
Great, Charlie, gotta be great. I just took a DNA test, turns out I'm 100% black. Even when I'm crying crazy, I got 4 parts unless they get them at me. Baby, and I saw enough is gone. You could have been a bad chick. I'll commit her. Happy with the courier, just a little. You're supposed to hold me down, but you're holding me back, and that's the sound. I mean, I'm calling you out. Why man great till you gotta be great? Don't test me until my face.
Stop.
True turns me to something more exciting. Bum 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 bam. Let's move with the bomb lighting. New liking. True turns me to something more exciting. Bum bum bam bam. I wanna hit you back in a minute.
Oh, baby, you can record yourself. Oh my God. Radio little goo-goo. And lastly, Buddha's last day of school. She looked like breakfast at Tiffany's. Mrs. Movie Star. How you doing? Wait. Look at you. This girl. Buddha, what happened to your hair? I don't know. You don't know you're hot? Told you you'd be hot. Alright, mis amigos. So anyways, thank you so much for watching. I hope you understand this. I just want to remember these memories, and I can't believe I forgot it in some like lost folder. But I appreciate you guys for watching when you do, and we will see you on our next video. Thank you so much for watching, mis amigos. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and definitely comment below. It will help us on YouTube. And until next time, adios.